Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I make motherhoods, cleaning, and organization videos. And I just want to take you guys on my journey as I get my home organized and all together for the new year. And in today's video, I will be organizing my refrigerator. So stay tuned if you want to see some cleaning motivation. So what I'm using to organize my refrigerator are these clear organizing bins that I get from a brand called V-Top Mart from Amazon. They come in 8 in a pack, 4 skinny ones and 4 wide ones, 14 inches in length. And I wanted to get refrigerator bins that were longer in length so that they would take up all the space in my refrigerator from the front and the back. And they were affordable, great quality. And usually when I come across organizer bins, at least the clear transparent ones, they're quite expensive in my opinion, but these were very affordable to me. And I will be leaving the link down below in the description box if you guys want to check them out. Okay, so now that I have the bins cleaned and prepped, I'm going to take everything out of my refrigerator. And I literally had to throw away about 75% of my food. I hate wasting food, so that's why it's important for me to have these clear bins so that I can see what I have in my refrigerator. I can use everything that I have, and I can only buy what I need from the grocery store. Keep your refrigerator organized and neat, because this is what happens. Like, our refrigerator is tearing apart, and yeah, so let me get this out the way before I ruin it. So anyways, our refrigerator is tearing apart because we piled so much stuff up in it, and it just can't take all the weight of everything that we have in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to fix it with these like little single-use super glue packets that I get from the Dollar Tree, and let's see if it works. I'm going to clean my refrigerator using this cleaning vinegar that I get from the Dollar Tree and this cute little spray bottle, also from the Dollar Tree. And I'm not going to use any heavy chemicals to clean my refrigerator simply because I don't want the smell to see through my food. So I think that cleaning vinegar is always best to clean your refrigerator with. If you want something that smells nice, you can drop a little bit of lemongrass essential oil in it. I didn't have any, so I'm just using vinegar. I think it smells nice, it cleans effectively, and it's very safe. So cleaning vinegar is always my number one choice for cleaning. So now I'm just testing them out, making sure they fit well. And like I said, I wanted something long in length so that they take up all the space in my refrigerator from the front to the back, because I don't want any space going unused. So I think they work perfectly well. Alright you guys, this is the ending result. I really like it. My husband really likes it because he can actually see what's in here now. And if you guys like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I thank you guys for watching to the very end. And I will see you next time.